These are sorrel, or Florida cranberry. They have other names too, depending on where they're grown. Everybody's got their own name for them. They're ready this time of year. This is the part that you harvest and eat. Before, they made a beautiful flour. And this is what's left when the flour is done. Here's a nice, big, beautiful one. Whoops, I dropped it. There it is. If you wanted to save seeds from this plant to plant next year, you would need to wait and leave some on the bush. The seeds are in this center pod, but they're not mature at this point. So you would wait until the plant has let them dry. They'll get brown and hard, and then the seeds will be mature. And those will be what you plant next year. But in the meantime, these are edible. Oops, I dropped another one. It was a nice big one, so I don't want to leave it. So I make a cranberry, like a mock cranberry sauce relish with these, usually around Thanksgiving time. And the recipe for that is in my new cookbook. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can find the recipe there. So this plant is an annual, but it doesn't produce until later in the year, just in time for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So you do plant it early, but don't think that you're going to be harvesting early. It won't produce until later in the year when the light cycle is just right. The leaves are also edible. They make a nice tart addition to a salad. This is a plant that's great for your garden, great for your food forest, great for your grocery rows, and really great in the kitchen. There will be a link to my cookbook in the description.